This video we are going to learn how to draw an acorn using just lines and shapes. So go ahead and get your sketchbook or your quarter sheet of paper. I do not draw on a full-size sheet of paper. I get a full-size sheet of paper and cut them into 4 pieces and just use 1/4 of the paper. Okay, so the first shape that we're going to do as we draw the unicorn, you're going to do a large letter U right in the middle of your paper. So draw right here, large letter U, right in the middle of your paper. Okay. Make sure that you use pencils. I'm just using a marker so you can see my lines. Alright, the next shape we're going to do is a letter V right here at the bottom of the letter U. Next shape we're going to do is a letter C right here on this side of the letter U, and then we'll do a backward C this side of the letter U. Alright, the next step we're going to do is we're going to connect the top of the letter C to this side of the letter C with a line that goes slightly up, and then go back down just a little bit, just like that. Alright, so this part here, the letter U, is the nut of the acorn. Now we're going to do the cup of the acorn. So we're going to go from this side of the letter C to this side of the letter C, and we're going to do a frown face. So you're going to go up just like this, go around, and connect to this side of the letter C, and that is going to be the cup of the acorn. Okay, the top of the cup is going to be an upside down letter U, just like that. Alright, next step we're going to do a long letter V. So it's just like the nut of the acorn is cut, is right here, it's just kind of split a little bit. You can see the inside. And the next part is a long letter V on this side. Curve it just a little bit. So all that does is show that the acorn is cracked a little bit. Okay, next step that we're going to do is the stalk. It's just going to be a little line, parallel line going out like that. And then a letter O at the end of the parallel lines. Alright, and so the last step that we're going to do is we're going to do some cross hatching on the cup of the acorn. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to follow the contour of this line, and I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to make some lines parallel, just like that. And now I'm going to cross these lines, which is called cross hatching. So I'm going to follow this contour for the first line, follow that shape going like this, and then continue 3 or 4 more lines, cross hatch. And there is your acorn. So get your color pencils and your crayons and you can color the acorn. And this will be a great assignment if you want to teach your students how to label the acorn as well as learn how to draw.